Welcome to English Shadowing, Animal Descriptions.
Today we're describing elephants, majestic and amazing.
How do we practice?
Listen to our description, then repeat after us.
Ready to describe like a pro?
Yes. Let's start with the biggest land animal, elephant.
Look at that elephant. Look at that elephant.
Wow, it's so big. Wow, it's so big.
It's gray and huge. It's gray and huge.
Yes, the biggest land animal. Yes, the biggest land animal.
See its long trunk? See its long trunk?
Yes, it uses it to grab things. Yes, it uses it to grab things.
The ears are very large. The ears are very large.
They help it stay cool. They help it stay cool.
It has small eyes. It has small eyes.
But very smart eyes. But very smart eyes.
Look at those white tusks. Look at those white tusks.
They're made of ivory. They're made of ivory.
Its skin is wrinkly. Its skin is wrinkly.
Yes, thick and rough. Yes, thick and rough.
It has a short tail. It has a short tail.
With a tuft of hair at the end. With a tuft of hair at the end.
It walks slowly. It walks slowly.
But it can run fast if needed. But it can run fast if needed.
What a magnificent animal! What a magnificent animal!
Yes, elephants are amazing. Yes, elephants are amazing.
How tall is an elephant? How tall is an elephant?
About 3 to 4 meters at the shoulder. About 3 to 4 meters at the shoulder.
How much does it weigh? How much does it weigh?
Up to 6,000 kilograms. Up to 6,000 kilograms.
That's heavier than a car. That's heavier than a car.
Yes, much heavier. Yes, much heavier.
Is it bigger than a hippo? Is it bigger than a hippo?
Yes, elephants are the largest. Yes, elephants are the largest.
Its legs are like tree trunks. Its legs are like tree trunks.
Strong and pillar-like. Strong and pillar-like.
The trunk is so long. The trunk is so long.
Up to 2 meters long. Up to 2 meters long.
Can it lift heavy things? Can it lift heavy things?
Yes, up to 300 kilograms with its trunk. Yes, up to 300 kilograms with its trunk.
Its ears are like fans. Its ears are like fans.
They flap to cool its body. They flap to cool its body.
Baby elephants are small. Baby elephants are small.
But still about 100 kilograms at birth. But still about 100 kilograms at birth.
They grow so fast. They grow so fast.
Yes, nature is incredible. Yes, nature is incredible.
What do elephants eat? What do elephants eat?
Grass, leaves, fruit and bark. Grass, leaves, fruit and bark.
How much do they eat daily? How much do they eat daily?
About 150 kilograms of food. About 150 kilograms of food.
Do they drink a lot? Do they drink a lot?
Yes, up to 200 liters of water. Yes, up to 200 liters of water.
They use their trunk to drink. They use their trunk to drink.
Yes, like a straw. Yes, like a straw.
Elephants live in groups. Elephants live in groups.
Yes, called herds. Led by a matriarch. Yes, called herds. Led by a matriarch.
Are they friendly? Are they friendly?
Yes, very social and caring. Yes, very social and caring.
They help each other. They help each other.
Yes, even care for sick members. Yes, even care for sick members.
Do elephants sleep a lot? Do elephants sleep a lot?
Only 2 to 4 hours a day. Only 2 to 4 hours a day.
They sleep standing up? They sleep standing up?
Sometimes, but they can lie down too. Sometimes, but they can lie down too.
They're so interesting. They're so interesting.
Yes, I love learning about them. Yes, I love learning about them.
Where do elephants live? Where do elephants live?
In Africa and Asia. In Africa and Asia.
In forests or grasslands? In forests or grasslands?
Both. They adapt well. Both. They adapt well.
Do they like water? Do they like water?
Yes, they love to bathe and spray. Yes, they love to bathe and spray.
They're good swimmers. They're good swimmers.
Yes, using their trunk as a snorkel. Yes, using their trunk as a snorkel.
Elephants have great memory. Elephants have great memory.
Yes, an elephant never forgets. Yes, an elephant never forgets.
They communicate with sounds. They communicate with sounds.
Low rumbles we can't even hear. Low rumbles we can't even hear.
They can feel vibrations. They can feel vibrations.
Yes, through their feet. Yes, through their feet.
Are elephants endangered? Are elephants endangered?
Yes, due to habitat loss and poaching. Yes, due to habitat loss and poaching.
We should protect them. We should protect them.
Yes, support conservation efforts. Yes, support conservation efforts.
Elephants are gentle giants. Elephants are gentle giants.
Yes, powerful but kind. Yes, powerful but kind.
How would you describe an elephant? How would you describe an elephant?
Big, gray and wise. Big, gray and wise.
I'd say strong and gentle. I'd say strong and gentle.
Yes, and very social. Yes, and very social.
Its trunk is flexible. Its trunk is flexible.
and super strong, and super strong.
The skin is thick and wrinkly. The skin is thick and wrinkly.
Like natural armor. Like natural armor.
Its eyes look kind. Its eyes look kind.
Yes, very expressive eyes. Yes, very expressive eyes.
Elephants are majestic. Elephants are majestic.
Absolutely. Kings of the land. Absolutely. Kings of the land.
They move with grace. They move with grace.
Despite their huge size. Despite their huge size.
I love their gentle nature. I love their gentle nature.
Me too. So peaceful. Me too. So peaceful.
Describing elephants is fun. Describing elephants is fun.
Yes. So many cool details. Yes. So many cool details.
Let's practice more animal descriptions. Let's practice more animal descriptions.
Great idea. Next, lions. Great idea. Next, lions.